Hey. Sorry, I'm having a little technical difficulties here. Can't get my stand to stand up right. Okay, here we go. How's everybody doing today? My name is KaraAllan. I'm a wardrobe stylist. I help you unclutter your closet and style your authentic life. So today I'm going to be talking about do-it-yourself style glitter heels. So one thing I always say is, one of my little mantras is, I want to light up every room I walk into and leave a little sparkle behind. So with my sparkle glitter heels, I do just that. Yay! How's everybody doing today? I see everybody popping in. Yeah. Hey, Renee. Hey, Chari. Good to meet you. So, hey, Kita. Hey, love interest. So, yeah, these are my little 9 West heels. They are very overworn, but they still look good decently. And so these are some new ones that I got, and I want to add the purple to the bottom of them. Glitter on, girl. Yay! Hey, Andrea. So I'll show you all of my little tools here. I got this stuff from Michael's, and it's not a lot. I don't think I paid more than $20 for everything. So you want to start, you want to start with a little bit of decoupage glue. And I got the extra fine glitter, purple, and my little paintbrush. So I'm doing this on my sink counter, which probably isn't the best idea, but you know, it's called Recollections. I got it from Michael's. Oh Lord, thank you, Isaac. Thank you for not spelling all of that out. This is a PG-13 scope today. Okay, so the decoupage actually has its own little brush. And guys, you could do this for your girlfriend or teach her how to do it, or your wife. So here's the bottom of the shoe, and you want to just do a light coat. You can see that. Right, PG-13 today. We're not doing no crazy stuff today. See how you want to do a thin coat of glue. And this thing does have a lot of glue on it, so. Hey, tag team, what's up? How are ya? I'm showing everybody how to make their own glitter heels. Thanks for the hearts, guys, and thanks for sharing if you need to. Yeah, I've been walking in heels since I was like 15, so. Although I've been wearing a lot of flats lately. Ooh. Be careful because the glue does like to pop off and do weird stuff on the shoe. But yeah, so see, I got a thin coat on the bottom of the shoe for right now. And you can do it on the heel as well. Okay, see? So, hey Mia, love that scope you did this morning in Italy. It was wonderful. So, the little glitter thing has 2 sides. You have like the side that just opens up and dumps, and you don't want to use that, clearly. And then it has the sprinkle side, like shoes. Right. It's wonderful. So you just kind of dump it over, if you can see. And actually the little sprinkle side works perfectly. You don't get a lot of spillage. So see? And I use the other brush to kind of just spread it a little bit. And then I go on the heel side. And you could use matte on there too. You can just blow the excess off. How cool is that? And you can do all colors. Like I have red, I have gold. How cool is that, right? I mean, I wouldn't recommend necessarily doing it on your Louboutins, maybe. But these are like I might have it on my 9 West shoes on the bottom. So here's my gold. I have some red on the other ones, but I love the purple. I thought that was so pretty. And then you just sit them upside down like this to dry, and don't touch them for a while, and definitely don't wear them. But then it's so cool because you leave a little sparkle when you're walking. See my other one. And you can touch it up. you know, as you need to. So yeah, anybody have any questions about purple sparkle on the bottom of your shoe? And then whatever left over here. Hey, trendy mama. No, it doesn't make them slippery because I didn't put them on the actual walking part. I only put it on this part. So it doesn't mess up the shoe. I did do it on the... Yeah, it does, right? You put it on the heel, but not on the bottom. I mean, you could put it on the bottom, but it wears off so fast because, you know, you're walking on the sidewalk or whatever. You see, I did put it on there. My red... Yeah, do the red. I have red sparkle too. Hold on. So I have the red in the same brand, Recollections. I have the gold. This one's Martha Stewart. And I have another black. And I haven't done the black on anything yet on Recollections. But yeah, I paid like less than $20 for all this stuff. You don't even really need this brush because I didn't realize the glue. Thanks for sharing, April. The glue comes with its own brush. So you just have to be careful because it does drip a lot and you have to make sure you're always... It's like nail polish, you know, you have to keep taking that off. Stuff doesn't get all the way. Oh yes, everyone loves my West Elm lamps. They're Moroccan lights. So I love them. They were originally like $150 and I got them for $15 because they were display. So, and they were the last pair we had in the store and I was like, yes! You know, I love a bargain when I can get it. If I could use Mod Podge. What's Mod Podge, trendy mama? I don't know. I'm not familiar with that. But yeah. There's your purple. And here's the gold. The gold actually lasted longer on the bottom versus the purple, but I don't know. Maybe because it's a different brand. This one's Martha Stewart. The gold is. Thanks, Andrea. And this is the red. I hate that my air conditioning is acting crazy. I'm gonna have to call the people today. It's very warm in here. But this is what the purple looked. Yeah, and you can do another seal of glue over top, which is what I do after it dries. I wait till it dries all the way. No, I don't know what mid-podgy is. What is that? Y'all need to educate me today, too. I don't know what that is. It's called decoupage. Let's see. You can screenshot that. Decoupage. You can get it at Michael's. I actually saw this on Pinterest. Somebody had done a